if we were to cook pork loin, or let's say the ribeye of pork, like I like to call it, right? Bone-in pork chop. What are some of your favorite ingredients to match with that? What would you pair that with?
It always comes to my mind apples, the Washington green apples. It has a little bitterness, tartness, acids. So it gets this beautiful balance. But when you incorporate apples, butter, maybe a little bit of cinnamon on it,
Yeah.
sage,
Yeah. Yeah.
gets all these flavors. If I'm gonna do Mexican way, pozole is another way to get good pork.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, and here in Suco we have the cochinita pibil, but it's Guerrero style. It's way different. We use chile guajillo, we use cinnamon, we use avocado leaves that incorporates a lot of perfume, aromas to that. Garlic. We do our own vinegar, pineapple vinegar, so it gets sweet and tartness. That's really cool.